Good.
Let's not forget to turn the camera on for the second time.
Say Merry Vlogmas again.
Oh, right.
Yes.
Again?
Again.
This time with my glasses on.
Yes.
So it must be a different day.
It is obviously a different day.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Merry
Vlogmas! Your dad's rushing through it. Right, Kai, you actually get treats this time.
Yeah.
We don't just tease you with the calendar, but I wouldn't have done it, but you had such cute footage of you helping yourselves. So that one down there.
That one. Oh, yeah, that's the new one. Oh, can you get it?
He's making a very, very valiant attempt.
Would you like a bit of help? Would you like Mummy help? Yeah, Mummy help. Here, here, here. Oh, lovely, they're huge.
Oh, no wonder he's having issues.
You can go away. Oh, no.
It's now on the floor.
They're huge. Oh.
Looks like a star.
Yeah.
Oh, he likes that.
Yeah.
Yes. No, he wants that one. Don't eat it on my desk. Oh, he's taking it back. Mum, you've not thought this through.
Bye.
No, you need to help me with it.
Chaos.
It's day 18. Can you tell that we're struggling? There it is.
Oh, oh.
Okay, down the bottom. Day 18. Ooh, peanut butter again. Why? Why? Why?
You don't like it?
I didn't like that one.
Oh, that's a
I drank it.
Well,
It wasn't
Daddy
my
did.
favourite.
Daddy drink it?
I don't know. I think you had a sip and you weren't enthused. I can't
With what
remember.
which
one?
Peanut butter.
No, I wasn't enthused.
No.
No.
That one. That's unfortunate that that's the repeat that we've had so far.
No.
Okay. Anyway, you can go back to cutting up your bag now.
Right. Day 18.
Hang on. Some more. Hang on. Let Mum finish her wrestling. Finish my wrestling. Good girl. Good grief. He's got lots. Spoilt puppy. It was worth the teasing.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Anyway,
The rustling has
cleverly you deciphered and sorted the digital clocks.
Yeah.
Incredible, you say. I actually got the clocks running again. Push your foot down. It's time we got to the gas station. On it, Klaus calls from the front. In fact, he's already travelling at speed. You almost brushed against a planet as you flew past. Your spaceship was speeding along so quickly. In the rearview mirror, you take a closer look at the celestial body. It seems to be an ice desert, shiny and smooth as glass. Are those penguins on the surface? How sweet. Are the penguins on the surface?
I don't know yet.
Yes, there was
Is it-
penguins we saw somewhere, wasn't there?
Was there?
Yeah, I recollect.
Okay.
This is the Yeti's home planet.
Klaus calls from the front.
I get on with him well, even if he is our competition in the race. He's a nice guy who spends most of his time sitting in his spaceship and reading the newspaper. Maybe we'll go visit him when this is all over.
Okay, sounds good, you answer dreamily. This ice planet looks somehow magical. Then you notice the light of a star reflecting in the ice.
Oh.
Dear violins, please.
Okay.
No,
Nothing on the
no,
back.
nothing.
Okay.
It will stay there.
Right, up in the corner. We've got
2 cards.
penguins. Penguins. If you're Benedict Cumberbatch.
Right. These stars shine equally from the front and back. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So right is important. Code. Middle, small, large.
There's a bunch of stars there.
Alright.
Aha! That looks like that. Okay, so front and the back.
Yeah.
That one's super bright.
Okay.
Okay.
I'd say that was...
So we think 8, 9 and possibly 3.
Yeah. No?
No. We've got 1 right. We've got 8 right. This one's correct.
Okay.
And we've got 3 correct. So that must be... Or is it... Yeah, that must be 3.
That must be 3.
That one we got right.
Yeah.
That one we got right. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that one... That's 1. That's 1. And they're saying that's 1. But we think that one looks
Yeah.
brighter. And when you open the box up, which you can see, again on the inside. So... Yeah,
I agree with us.
I think that one's better.
We're right.
Yeah, let's just go off piste.
Yeah. So open any box you like now.
Diagonally left, right.
Left.
Left, right. Yeah, you're right. This one.
Diagonally left, right.
Diagonally.
Come on.
Oh, sorry.
Diagonally right.
Yes.
Diagonally left.
I know what I meant.
I'll be disorientated all day now.
Yes.
Is this my left or my right?
So I'm gonna go and have a disappointing peanut butter hot chocolate taste test. It is the peanut butter hot chocolate. Now I know I said it's not my favourite and it's not, but it's not unpleasant enough that I won't drink it. So it's kind of like a not quite so sweet Snickers bar. I think that's what's missing, is the caramel sweetness from the Snickers bar. But I don't dislike peanuts, I don't dislike chocolate obviously, but this combination together, I think it just needs, if I put some caramel like swirl through it, I think that actually would be pretty epic. But yeah, it's not my favourite, but it's not bad enough that I'm not going to drink it, so I'm going to finish this off.
Yep.
Because I had to have my collagen, so that's sad.
Yep.
I mean, it wasn't the worst thing in the world, but yeah.
No.
What are you up to?
I'm going to go next door to my man shed.
Mm-hmm.
I want to check something.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going in. I want to ask you something about your bicycle.
Mm-hmm.
And then, I don't know.
Well, they don't know about my bicycle yet. You'll be finding out about that very soon. Exciting. And you're off to Bridge, aren't you, Mum?
Yeah.
Mum's taking a bag apart because she didn't like the structure it had. She wants to put foam in it, and now she's trying to work out which bits of it she can save. Possibly, maybe. Probably not.
Okay.
Anyway, I need you up here for a thumbnail because we didn't do one of those.
No.
Creature! Oh, you answered to that. Well done. Oh, he's swimming in there. Smile.
Yeah.
It's many close-ups of you sticking your tongue in people's faces. So, Mum, yeah, you're off to Bridge this afternoon, aren't you?
I am.
Okay.
Yes. Cool. All right then. So we will see you tomorrow.
Cheerio.
Bye.
Bye.